You are going to love the 2025 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.